Hello, and welcome to another episode of Seeking Trades. Today's topic, the world of futures trading. Ever thought about dipping your toes into the futures market? Well, we're about to give you 5 compelling reasons why this might just be the best move for you. First off, reason number 1, no pattern day trader rule. This means you can use your trading capital far more efficiently. No more tying up your assets in multiple accounts to work around the rule. Instead, you'll have the freedom to concentrate your capital in a single futures account and really make the most of its potential. And let's dive into the second reason. Flexibility. Trading the MNQ provides extra leeway with position sizing. With smaller contract sizes, you gain precise control in scaling your positions. This enhances risk management and trade allocation. And for those with smaller accounts, this could be a true game changer. Next up, reason number 3, liquidity. Despite the standard NQ contract being more popular among institutional traders, the micro MNQ contract offers more than enough liquidity for retail traders. As micro contracts continue to rise in popularity, liquidity is becoming less and less of a concern. Under reason number 4, volatility. Both the MNQ and NQ contracts track the NASDAQ 100 index. This means they're subject to similar market dynamics and volatility. However, the micro MNQ contract, due to its smaller size, may experience slightly higher volatility on a percentage basis compared to the standard NQ contract. It's all about choosing what's right for you. Finally, reason number 5, 24/5 market trading. Unlike the stock market, which operates during specific hours, futures markets are open almost all the time. This extended trading session allows for greater flexibility, especially for traders who can't trade during regular market hours. Plus, futures markets offer exposure to global economies and events. This means that you can take advantage of opportunities arising from geopolitical developments, economic data releases, and market news from around the world. So, to recap, we've covered 5 compelling reasons to start trading in futures. The absence of the pattern day trader rule, the flexibility of position sizing, liquidity and volatility considerations, and the 24/5 market trading all combine to make futures trading a highly attractive option for both seasoned professionals and beginners. Perhaps one of the most enticing aspects is the accessibility and exposure to global markets, allowing traders to capitalize on opportunities around the clock and across different economies and events. So, if you're looking to maximize your trading capital, fine-tune your risk management strategies, or simply take advantage of extended trading hours, futures trading could be the perfect fit for you. Remember, always trade with discipline and a well-defined strategy. And of course, keep tuning in to Seeking Trades for more insights and trading tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy trading.